Very good morning. Yesterday we see 10 important SQL and DAX questions. Today also we see another 10. So by doing every day 10, we learn easily. So consistently it helps to us how to write SQL queries by analyzing them without any preparation. So these are very helps to you to expert in SQL and DAX. So today we discuss another 10 questions. The first question is retrieve employees who are managers. So we have employees and managers tables. In employees table, some of the employees are managers to the other employees. So from those, uh, from the employees table, we learn, we know who are the managers and who are not the managers. So for this, we write query for retrieving employees who are managers. For this, we write the query. Uh, Select distinct e1.ename from emp e1, join emp e2 on e1.emp number equal to e2.manager. So here we have write the query with the employee table with itself. This is called self join. We have used two alias names for our convenience. They are e1 and e2. So the join column is in E1 table employee number and E2 table manager. That means the manager number should be matched with the employee's number in the employees table. At that time only we return the managers from the employees table. So by executing this, we got the employees managers details who are employees details who are managers. So the DAX query for the same is managers equal to distinct of here distinct is used to return the unique values, not duplicate values. The DAX for the same is managers equal to distinct of filter of employee. Here we filter the employees, we are filtering the employees table. The filter condition is contains of EMP comma EMP of manager comma EMP of EMP number. That means in employees table the manager number must be contains the uh, number in employees number column. So this contains filter returns the employees details who are manager. So distinct is also used here also for selecting the unique values. The next question is find employees who are not managers. In above we write the query for finding employees who are managers. Here we write the reverse query for knowing who are not managers. So not managers means they are only employees in the company. They are not managers. So they are doing only one position. So the query for this, we are selecting the e-name from employee table, EMP table. The condition for selecting the e-name is where employee number, EMP number not in select distinct manager from EMP where manager is not null. So the employee number we are selecting is it is not in the managers list from the employee from EMP table. The condition for selecting the managers for EMP is where manager is not null. So that means the president column as a null manager value. So we not select the president row for the from the manager table. So we used here where condition where manager is not null. So by executing this, we got the employees details who are not managers. So they are only employees. The DAX for this is the DAX name is non-managers equal to filter of EMP. Here we are filtering the EMP table. The condition for it is reversed to the above DAX. So in above DAX we have write the query for selecting who are manager. Here we are writing for selecting who are not managers. So the filter condition is not contains of EMP comma EMP of manager comma EMP of employee number. So that means it returns uh, details of employees whose employee number is not in the manager column in the employees table. So by executing this, we got the employees details who are not managers. The next one is retrieve employees with the highest salary. So we want to know who is the person got the maximum salary in the company. So for this we are writing query. For this we are selecting the e-name comma salary from EMP table. So we are writing condition for selecting the maximum salaried person. We used subquery where salary equal to subquery means writing a query inside another query is called subquery where salary equal to bracket open select maximum of salary from EMP. It returns the subquery returns the maximum salary from EMP table. So for selecting the e name and salary from EMP table, the condition for salary is it should be it should be maximum salary from EMP table. So by executing this, we got the e name and salary of the maximum salaried person. The DAX for the same is highest paid employee. The DAX name is highest paid employee equal to filter of EMP. We are filtering the data in EMP table, comma. So the condition for filter is EMP of sal equal to maximum X of EMP, comma EMP of sal. So the salary for selecting the employee to filter the employee details is the salary must be equal to maximum of salary from employees table. So the maximum X is used for iterating the EMP table and it finds the maximum salary in the salary table, salary column. By executing this SQL and DAX, we got the highest salaried employee e-name and salary. Next one, find employees with the lowest salary. This is reverse to the above SQL and DAX. In above, we write the query for highest salaried person. Here, we are writing the query for lowest salary person. For this, we are selecting the e-name and salary from EMP table. The condition for selecting the e-name and salary from EMP table is where salary equal to select minimum of salary from EMP. The subquery here also we write the subquery. The subquery gives the minimum salary from EMP table. So for selecting the details in employee table, the salary must be equal to the minimum salary from EMP table. So by executing this, we got the e-name and salary of the minimum salaried person from EMP table. The DAX for the same is lowest paid employee equal to filter of EMP. Here we are filtering the EMP table. The condition for filtering data is EMP of sal equal to minimum X of EMP comma EMP of sal. So the for filtering the data, the salary must be equal to the minimum salary from EMP table. Here we used minimum X function. It retrieves the it iterates the EMP table and find the minimum salary from salary column. So by executing this SQL and dash, we got the e-name and salary of the low minimum salaried person. The next question is retrieve employees hired in the last 5 years. Here we are writing the query for the time-based analysis. We are we want to retrieve the employees hired in the last 5 years. For this, we used date add. So for the writing query, we must select the e-name and hire date from EMP table. The condition for selecting the data is where hire date greater than or equal to date add of year comma -5 comma get date. So here get date is return the present date and time. So by removing -5 indicates -5 indicate the we want to go -5 in year wise from get date. Here we write year. So to know about last 5 years. If we want to know about last 5 months, it is 5 months details. In place of year, we write like month. If we want to know last 5 days higher date, we write day instead of year. So it changes based on our requirements. So this is used to guard the employees hired to guard the details of employees hired in the last 5 years. The dash for the same is recent hires equal to filter of EMP. EMP table filter చేస్తున్నాం. Filter of EMP. Here we are filtering EMP table, comma EMP of hire date greater than or equal to today minus 365 into 5. So the hire date in the EMP table must be greater than or equal to today minus 365 into 5. We got get date and today. We used get date and today to get the present date and time. So by removing 365 into 5 indicates each year contains 365 days. So by multiplying it with 5, we got the we remove the 5 years from the 2 days. So we got the details of the employees who are added in the last 5 years. Calculate the total salary for each job role. This is also discussed in yesterday's also. Today also we discuss it one time. So we want to know the total salary for each job role. Yesterday we calculated average salary for each job role. Today we are calculating the total salary for each job role. For this, we selected the job, comma, sum of salary as total salary from EMP table. In EMP table, it has salary column. We summed the column and given the alias name as total salary. If we want to, so now we want to know about the total salary for each job role. So we put the group by operation on job column. So by executing this, we got the total salary for each job role. So the dash for the same is total salary by job is equal to summarize of EMP. Here we are summarizing the EMP table on the job column in EMP table. Next, we want to know the total salary for each job roles. For this, we summed the salary in the employee table. With the name given to this aggregate function is total salary. So by executing this, we got the total salary for each job role. Next question is find employees who earn more than the average salary. So in table, out of all the salaries, we want to know average salary and we want to know who is the person who are the employees get the more than average salary. Average comes from summing the all the values in the salary column and dividing with number of values. So for this, we selected the e-name and sal from EMP table. The condition for selecting the details from EMP table is where salary greater than select average of salary from EMP table. Here we used subquery. The subquery returns the average salary from EMP table. The details we are selecting in the employee table having a salary greater than average salary. By executing this, we got the employee names and salary who are earning more than the average salary. The DAX for the same is the DAX name is above average salary equal to filter of EMP. Here we are filtering the data presented in the EMP table, comma the condition, the filtering condition is EMP of sal greater than the average of EMP of sal. So the salary must be greater than the average salary in the EMP table. Retrieve employees who earn less than the average salary. So in the above query, we write the query. We see the employees who earning the more than their average salary. Here we want to know the who are the employees earning less than the average salary. For this, we are selecting the e name and salary from EMP table where sal less than select average of salary from EMP. So we are selecting the ename and the condition is reversed to the above. So in above, if we want for lowering employees who are earning more than average salary, we use greater than. Here we use uh, less than symbol. So the condition for selecting the employees in employees table, their salary must be less than the average salary. So by executing this, we got the employees detail who are earning the less than average salary. The dash for salary, the dash for the same is below average salary. Below average salary equal to filter of EMP. Here we are filtering the EMP table. The filtering condition is EMP of sal less than average of EMP of sal. So the salary of the employees must be less than the average salary in the EMP table. So by executing this, we got the employees details who are earning the less than the average salary. Like next question. Find employees with no managers. So, if the employee has no manager, it means he is a top level employee or either president. So, president is the manager for all. He has no manager. He is the manager to that company. So, for this, we selected but his name presented in the employee's details. Select e name from EMP. Here we are selecting the ename from EMP table. The condition for this is where manager is null. Where the manager ID is null, he is the employee with no manager. So it means he is a top level employee or president. The dash for the same is top level employees equal to filter of EMP, comma, is blank of EMP of manager. So here we are filtering the EMP table. The condition for filtering is blank of EMP of manager. The manager column in the EMP table is should be blank. So at that time we got the employees who are having no managers. The next question in last one for today is retrieve employees who share the same job title. So that means how many number of employees having the same job titles are sharing the same job title. It means they are doing same job with same title. So for this we are selecting the select job, comma, count of star as employee count from EMP table. We are counting the number of employees in the employee table. So we are grouped the data by job column. So we want to know the details by job wise. So we put the group by operation here. After that, we filter the data having count of star greater than 1. We want to know the employees who are having same job uh, same job title with more than one person in that job. So by executing this, we got the employees details more than one sharing the same job title. The DAX was the same shared job title is equal to filter of summary. Here we use this sometimes filter and sometimes summarizes. So by this, if we use where and having in the SQL query, we use filter in the DAX. If we use group by in the SQL query, we use summarize in the DAX. So these are the two terms we observe. At the time of printing DAX from SQL. If we have where and having in the SQL, we must use filter in the DAX. If we have group by in the SQL, we must use summarize in the DAX. So here we are summarizing the data presented in the EMP. We are summarizing the data by job column. So it should be written EMP of job. So we counting the rows. So we use count rows function, count rows of EMP, column with employee count. So by job wise, we count the number of employees in each job role. So we filter the data in this summarization column, aggregated column. The filter condition employees greater than one. So we want to know the employees who are sharing the same data with more than one employee who is sharing the same data. By including this SQL and DAX, we got the employees sharing the more than one job title. So these are the today's important SQL and DAX question. I hope this video helps to you very much to improve your SQL and DAX skill. Thank you.